Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. Rewards that are realized through searching do not exist. All things are spontaneously perfected in our minds. There are no rewards that come from anywhere else. There are 11 ways to settle oneself without traveling, but a reward that matures gradually does not exist. The one and the many do not exist. There is not a reward that may be counted. Our stages that are 10, and all the rest. We travel within our own minds, but there are no rewards that we attain. We have a true nature that is beyond causes and conditions. There are no rewards in the acts of generation, or in the work of generation. The uncontrived is spontaneously realized. This is why it is not to be attained. Through the application of contrivances, we are not summoned. We are present from the beginning. We are all-encompassing like the sky. This is why there are no rewards for our associations with positions or sides. We are all self-luminous wisdom. We do not abide by any division into sorts. But by the power of our discipline, there do appear to be differences. It is by the power of our conceptual ideas that things appear just as we attribute them. We do not find this by searching for it. We touch ourselves. Self-origination itself makes this clear. It is clear that our wisdom is spontaneously realized. The body, speech, and mind of this astonishing playfulness arise in spontaneous realization without our seeking them. We go to the end of everything that we desire. Anything that may appear is an ornament of this spontaneously realized circle. This is clear in a single moment. It is not gradual. It is a special quality of our awareness of our own clarity that we mount in a single moment. The levels that are the places we have traveled. Unsought rewards may appear to be anything. But when our clarity is sure, they have no real basis. Clear light is primordially pure. From the beginning it is free, from the darkness of extremism. We are spontaneously perfected in a mind that is beyond extremes.